Hey guys, today's math lesson is lesson 5-7 and it says paper folding problems. Today we're doing more fraction of problems, except instead of a fraction of a whole number, we're doing a fraction of a fraction. And we have these pieces of paper here that we're supposed to be able to fold or shade to kind of help us get a picture of what this would look like if we were to divide this and solve this problem. So it says, think of the rectangles below as sheets of paper. Draw fold lines and shade them to show how you found 1/3 of a half and 2/3 of 1/2 while solving Ava's pizza problem. Okay, so what it's talking about Ava's pizza problem is if you were at school today in the math book, we have a problem that Ava has 1/2 of a veggie pizza and she eats 2/3 of the part of the pizza that she has. How much of a whole pizza did she eat? Okay, well there's a lot going on there. She has half of a veggie pizza and she eats 2/3 of the part that she has. Okay, so this problem is very similar. It's 1/3 of a half. So let's find 1/3 of a half first. We know that she has half of a pizza. So we're going to divide our paper in half the best we can here, drawing a shade line. Okay. She has half of a veggie pizza. And let's say that she eats 1/3 of that. Now I'm going to divide this into thirds the best I can. It's not perfect. Okay. And out of the thirds, she eats 1/3. So there's half of a pizza. She eats 1/3. Okay. And she eats this much right down here. So we'll just shade it a little bit darker. Okay. So 1/3, these are the thirds, 1/3 of 1/2. So I cut my pizza into half, I cut it into thirds. She ate 1/3 of just this half of the pizza. So I cut it into half, and then she ate 1/3 of that pizza. So she ate 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. She ate 1/6. Okay, so similar to that, let's say 2/3 of a half. So here's the half of a pizza that Ava has. And we're dividing it into thirds. So she only has half. Remember, this was the whole pizza. She only has half, so this is the half she has. So she has half. Color that lightly. And then she ate 2/3 of that half. So we'll shade this a little darker. So she ate 2 out of a total of 6 pieces. Okay? All right. Carolyn had 1/3 of a liter of water. She drank 3/4 of the water. What part of a liter did she drink? So you're asking yourself, you're thinking, what is 3/4 of 1/3? Because she had 1/3. So I'm going to take my liter of water and I'm going to cut it into thirds because she had 1/3. So here's my thirds. Okay? And she only had 1 of the thirds. So I'm going to shade in this 1/3 that she had. Okay? So we started with this liter of water. That was the whole thing. Then I'm showing that she has 1/3. So really these, it's like they're not even here. And then she drank 1/4 of this. So now I've got to cut this into fourths. Okay. Okay. And she drank 3/4 of the water. So what is 3/4 of 1/3? So she drank 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. Sorry, that would be for that one. Make this a little lighter. Her 1/4, right here like this, here's 1/4 of a third. So that's 1 out of 12 boxes that's colored darkly. And then over here, 3/4 of 1/3. So again, here's her whole liter. She only had a third of it, so we cut it into thirds. Here's the third that she had. Okay, she drank 3/4 of this, so I have to cut it into fourths. Okay, so she drank 3/4 of this 1/3 that she had. So we'll shade these a little bit darker. So she drank 1, 2, 3 twelfths of the liter of water. So when the question asks us, I'm trying to get my camera to be able to see the question. There we go. What part of a liter did Carolyn drink? She drank 3/12 of the liter. Okay. Okay. Let's look at this one. 1/2 of 1/4. We'll do this one together, and then I know you can't divide these on your Go Formative, but I want you to try solving them on your own. And if it helps to draw it on a scrap piece of paper at home, then do that. 1/2 of 1/4 of 1/4. So I'm starting with 1/4. So I have here I cut it into fourths, and I really only have 1/4. Okay, so I'm imagining that the rest of it's gone. And then of this 1/4 I need half of it. So I cut this in half. We can go ahead and draw our half all the way over. Okay, and we'll shade it a little bit darker. Like that. So I have one dark piece out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 total pieces. I'm also multiplying straight across. 1 times 1 is 1, and 2 times 4 is 8. 1/8. Okay. You try these on your own. You can divide a piece of paper at home if it helps you, or you can remember to multiply straight across. Okay. 1 times 2 and 3 times 3. If it helps you to divide, you're doing 1/3 of 2/3. So what comes after the of, that's what you're starting with. You're starting with 2/3. Then you're going to take that even smaller and have 1/3 of the 2/3. So give it a try and see how you do.